Hello everyone, welcome to this series on summaries and synopsis of the works which have won Booker Prize. And in this video, we are going to discuss Shuggie Bain by Douglas Stewart, which won the Booker Prize in 2020. Introduction. Douglas Stewart's debut novel, Shuggie Bain, is deeply rooted in the author's own life experiences. Born in Glasgow in 1976, Stewart grew up in a working-class family with a mother who struggled with alcoholism. His intimate understanding of the environment, dialect, and emotional landscape of the novel lends Shuggie Bain its remarkable authenticity. The novel took Stewart a decade to write, reflecting his dedication to portraying the harsh realities of life for those on the fringes of society during the Thatcher era in Scotland. Synopsis. Shuggie Bain opens in 1992 with the 16-year-old protagonist, Shuggie Bain, living alone in a dilapidated bedsit in Glasgow, working at a supermarket deli counter. The narrative then shifts back to 1981, charting Shuggie's life from early childhood as he grows up in a dysfunctional family. His mother, Agnes Bain, once vibrant and beautiful, slowly succumbs to alcoholism, leading to a downward spiral that affects the entire Bain family. As Agnes becomes increasingly dependent on alcohol, Shuggie becomes her primary caregiver, navigating the complexities of his own identity while grappling with the harsh realities of life in a decaying industrial town. Themes: poverty and socio-economic decline. The novel is set against the backdrop of Thatcher-era Glasgow, where the closure of mines and factories plunges working-class communities into poverty, fostering despair, alcoholism and violence. Addiction and its impact on families. Agnes Bain's alcoholism is central to the story, illustrating how addiction devastates both the individual and their family, particularly through Shuggie's role as her caregiver. Love and loyalty. Shuggie's unwavering love for his mother, despite the pain it causes him, highlights the complex nature of familial bonds, where love and loyalty persist even in the face of overwhelming hardship. Identity and otherness. Shuggie's struggle with his sexual identity in a community with rigid notions of masculinity underscores the novel's exploration of otherness and the difficulty of being true to oneself in a hostile environment. Narrative style. Douglas Stewart employs a third-person omniscient narrative style that offers a deep and nuanced portrayal of each character's inner life. The prose is richly descriptive, often focusing on the physical and emotional pain of the characters. The language is infused with Glaswegian dialect, which adds authenticity to the setting but also presents a challenge for readers unfamiliar with the vernacular. The narrative's non-linear structure, shifting back and forth in time, allows for a layered understanding of the characters' histories and the socio-economic forces shaping their lives. Stewart's use of vivid imagery and metaphor elevates the narrative, imbuing the stark realities of the Bain family's life and a sense of tragic beauty. Literary comparisons. Shuggie Bain has drawn comparisons to several significant works in literature. Its exploration of working-class life and addiction is reminiscent of Irvine Welsh's Trainspotting, another seminal Scottish work dealing with similar themes. The novel's focus on a young boy's coming of age in a harsh environment echoes Frank McCourt's Angelia's Ashes, though Stewart's prose is notably more descriptive and detailed. Additionally, Stewart's portrayal of Glasgow's socio-economic decline is akin to James Kelman's How Late It Was, How Late, which also examines the lives of the marginalized in decaying urban landscape. The novel's exploration of complex familial relationships and caregiving burdens has also been likened to Elizabeth Stewart's My Name is Lucy Barton. Reception and recognition. Upon its release, Shuggie Bain received widespread critical acclaim, praised for its unflinching portrayal of poverty and addiction, as well as its deep emotional resonance. The novel won the Booker Prize in 2020, a significant achievement that underscored its impact on both readers and critics. Shuggie Bain has been celebrated for its powerful storytelling and the authenticity with which it depicts its characters' lives. Comparisons to other influential works have positioned Stewart's novel as a key contribution to contemporary literature, particularly within the tradition of Scottish writing that examines the intersection of class, identity, and socio-economic hardship. Conclusion. Shuggie Bain is a rare and gritty debut that offers a deeply moving and authentic portrayal of life in 1980s Glasgow. Through its exploration of poetry, addiction, identity, and the unbreakable bond between mother and child, Douglas Stewart's novel stands as a significant contribution to contemporary literature. Its critical acclaim and recognition, culminating in the Booker Prize, underscore its importance as a work that captures the resilience of the human spirit in the face of overwhelming adversity. Stewart's narrative style, rich in detail and emotion, ensures that Shuggie Bain will remain a powerful and enduring piece of literary art. So this was the discussion on the novel Shuggie Bain by Douglas Stewart. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other work. Until then, goodbye and thank you.